Our Equine Business Management Award is a really exciting programme. We've developed something that is really holistic. It covers everything from enterprise to finance to human resource management, as well as all of the commercial areas within the equine industry. And what we've done is validate a programme that really faces the current issues that are challenging our wonderful industry at the moment. So if you have an interest in sales, negotiation, commercial enterprise management, or all of the different subsidiary industries relating to equine business, absolutely could be the programme for you. Our Equine Business Management Award is really unique in the fact that we have brought together a range of different specialists, whether they're equine business specialists or colleagues from the Faculty of Business and Law. We're giving our students the opportunity to learn from a huge amount of individuals that have their own unique perspective. We are really lucky to have access to a fantastic yard, and we can bring what you learn in the classroom onto that hands-on delivery on the yard to contextualise everything that we offer and give you that perspective where you can hit the ground running, first aid competency when you get out into industry. So you absolutely don't need to have a horse to study here at ARU Writtle. Whilst it's really helpful to have a good understanding of the equine industry before you come in, it is not a prerequisite to study with us. We do build in those foundation skills as part of your first year of delivery, so we can build on the knowledge that you have and get you to a point where you're ready to go out and work into those graduate career paths. I'm really lucky to be supported by a team of lecturing staff that have such a broad scope of the equine industry. Most of my team work out in industry still currently, or certainly as part of their previous careers, and they can bring that into the classroom so our students are learning not just the theoretical content, but actually what is expected when you actually go out and get a job.
I found out by looking into websites and different platforms that I could find the best facilities for training and developing my career in equine. And I found that Writtle has the most facilities that I needed so far to develop it in my career.
We're really lucky to have a great land-based provision here at our Writtle campus, where students learn about the rural business and the impact on the rural industry. But also, if students want to have a bit more of a pure business focus, they can study option modules in order to choose which pathway they want their future career to go into. We also have a live brief programme, so students can work with real-life employers on real-world problems, come up with solutions and bring those back into the classroom. From a CV perspective, this shows that you can negotiate, that you can liaise, that you can work collaboratively, and that's something that's really important for the graduating workforce today. Thank you for your interest in ARU Writtle. We look forward to meeting you very soon.